Welcome back. This is how to prevent overheating CPU. So, guys, first use tools like HW monitor or core temp to keep track. So, the ideal CPU temps is under 75 to 80 C when gaming or under load. Now, also, you could keep your PC clean because dust blocks airflow and causes heat buildup. So just simply power off your PC, open your PC, and clean the fans and heat sinks regularly. You could also apply thermal paste. So old or dried paste between CPU and cooler reduces heat transfer. So ideally, we apply every 2 to 3 years for better cooling. Now, also improve cooling. Ensure case fans are positioned for proper airflow. So it will be front to back, bottom to top, or you could upgrade to a better air cooler or liquid cooler if needed. And there you go. I hope these solutions help you out. Thanks for watching.